This is the SOG Revolver Hunter knife, model number FX-20. It's got a 440A stainless steel blade on it and a glass reinforced nylon handle. It comes with the ballistic nylon sheath that you just saw me pull the knife out of. And what makes the SOG Revolver so popular is that it's like having two knives in one. There's a release built into the handle that you can push just like this and revolve the blade. Now I've got myself a camping saw / bone cutter. On the other side, I have a traditional drop point blade with a gut hook built into the back of it. It's easily reversible, or maybe I should say revolvable. It's got a lanyard hole built into the end of the handle. That is the SOG Revolver Hunter knife, model number FX-20.